Hello, welcome to my Gambian kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my perfect chicken shawarma. Please stay tuned. I have chicken breasts already cleaned and thinly sliced. Make sure it's not too wet, so I have it already. So have them in my bowl. These are the seasonings that I'm gonna use. I have black pepper, seasoning, salt, some peppers. You can use any pepper, cayenne would do. I have some salt and also a shawarma blend. It's a really good spice. You can find it at most grocery stores. And I added 1 teaspoon of mayo and 1 teaspoon of yogurt. That's gonna help me tenderize the chicken. And I added 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it really well. And I'm gonna have this sit aside for at least 45 minutes before grilling the chicken breast on my grill. So I'm gonna use the George Foreman little grill, which is really good. It comes out perfectly. This is after 45 minutes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my grill and then keep grilling. Now that the chicken breast, it's all grilled up, so I'm gonna go ahead and stack them up. You can stack them up in 5 layers or 6, just depending on what you can handle. And I use a chopstick to hold them in place. You don't have to, but it helps. Then I'll just go ahead and slice them into thin pieces. Now I cut up some potatoes that I fried. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set that aside. I'm just using tomatoes, 2 types of bell peppers, parsley, and my onions. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut them up and then make my little veggie salad. I'm gonna have them in a bowl, and I'm gonna use the same items I used to season the chicken, except the sour cream and the mayo. But everything else I'm gonna use to season them, and I'm gonna set it aside. I like to put it in the fridge and just let it chill there for some time, but you don't have to. And today I'm using the tortillas wrap, and I'm not gonna warm it up. Just take a really generous amount of the shawarma sauce. The recipe is gonna be in the description box. And just take some of your chicken, put it in a straight line kind of, then take some of your salad. That's the bell peppers and the tomatoes and the onions and the parsley. Put that without the juice, and take some of the potatoes, the fries, and put that, and then add some of the sauce again, the shawarma sauce on top, and then just wrap it like I'm doing here nicely, and set them aside. Then at the end, when I'm done wrapping them all, I just like to warm them to have some grill marks on them and to make it crunchy when eating them. Basically, this is how I make my perfect chicken shawarma. Very easy, very delicious. Look how beautiful it is. It looks beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Join this family. We have so many amazing videos coming. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Please try this recipe and you're gonna thank me later. This is literally the perfect shawarma. You have a great day and I will see you in the next video.